What's up guys, it's Meaty Mike. My name's Mike and I love beef. Today, we're firing up the smokers and cooking some wild boar sausage with the homemade cranberry sauce. Let's do it. Well, that was easy. These are store-bought sausages, no prep involved. We're putting them right on the smoker. So like I said, these are store-bought wild boar sausages. So I got the temps up to 250, some pecan wood rolling in the smoker. We're only gonna put them in here for about 45 minutes. And that's all there is to it, man. This is simple. So we'll let these cook up and then we'll get them ready to eat. Well, that had to be probably one of the easiest smokes I've done so far. This was already pre-cooked, so we just put it in at 250, 45 minutes, put some more smoke flavor to it. This wild boar sausage is gonna be great. I got some homemade cranberry sauce. Oh, yeah. I'm just gonna pour it right on there. Cranberries and fruit. It all goes great with wild game. Now you just got a lovely plate of wild boar sausage with cranberry sauce, and we can dig right in. I'm just gonna cut a piece off right up front. Woo! Just trying to get away. Nice and juicy. Get some of that sauce on there. The difference between wild boar and regular pork, it's a little bit darker, it's a little bit leaner, and man, those flavors just pop all the way around in this sausage. Nice and juicy. The sweetness from the cranberries, that pecan wood that we put on there. Unbelievable. So put some wild boar sausage in your smoker, you're gonna love it. Stay tuned for the next video.